Today, we're wearing our hard helmets to take a peek at how Tesla makes its batteries so quickly from the inside out. Apparently, it's not difficult to make a car operate on electricity, but keeping enough valuable energy on board to make owning an electric car a comparable or even superior proposition to normal gas guzzlers has so far proved elusive. Elon Musk has made no secret of the fact that one of the major obstacles he confronts in his quest to wean mankind off the internal combustion engine is the quality and capacity of the batteries his cars employ. While other parts of technology, most notably microchips and integrated circuits, have gotten exponentially more powerful and compact over time, battery technology has lagged behind in both technical complexity and the sheer capacity to supply and produce units at scale. For the time being, and for the next few years at least, Tesla works in conjunction with Japanese electronics firm Panasonic, an old hand in the battery industry. But rather than offering a means to have batteries created, huge machinery such as the cathode press or cathode rollers fit nicely in the massive facility with plenty of room to scale up. For example, the cell aging process. Cell aging, as you may have guessed, is an important element of the battery cell manufacturing process. When a cell initially rolls off the production line, it is completely worthless from a chemical aspect until a protective layer known as the solid electrolyte interface is allowed to develop around the electrodes. It's worth noting at this point that for Elon Musk, factories aren't just warehouses full of whirring machinery. How they operate and function is, in his opinion, just as important as the finished car itself. He stated as much at a shareholder meeting 5 years ago. We realized that the true problem, where the greatest potential lies, must begin with building the machine that makes the machine, in other words, building the factory. The entire massive 15 million square foot facility is built on a rigorously exact north-south axis, which helps optimize the rooftop solar arrays while also streamlining the sophisticated inside navigation systems for the factory's small army of robots. These robots handle the majority of automobile and battery production activities. As Musk conceded not long ago, we went too far on the automation front and automated some pretty foolish things. Panasonic's expertise is, of course, a big component in Tesla's success for the time being. The electronics giant is estimated to have poured some $1.6 billion into its work at the Gigafactory, not least committing to establishing a 14th production line in the Gigafactory last year to satisfy demand. Although Elon Musk has been outspoken about his desire to produce his own batteries as soon as it is financially possible to do so, Panasonic is aware more than anyone that Elon is not a man to accept anything less than exceptional performance. And although Tesla and Panasonic extended their promise to work together until 2023, Elon Musk is publicly employing engineers to begin making batteries in-house at Fremont, California, and at the recently completed Gigafactory in Berlin. Indeed, Musk made a veiled threat to Panasonic on Twitter in 2019 by implying that their work at Gigafactory has lagged, and Tesla won't invest money on further capacity until existing lines get closer to 35 gigawatt-hours. Publicly expressing his displeasure with the company's supply chain delays and making no secret of his desire to do away with them, Musk has at least been able to wring ever greater performance out of the Japanese company, inspiring it to develop new, more efficient and quicker technologies. Musk's willingness to hold Panasonic over a barrel commercially like this has also sent shockwaves through the battery industry. Denser, more efficient batteries like these, which primarily replace the older 18650 batteries previously used by Tesla, are critical to Tesla's ambition of making electric cars even more efficient, faster out of the factory, and, critically, more inexpensive in the future years. Elon Musk's very public and highly ambitious assertions, such as his vow to produce a 25,000 ticket price Tesla in the next couple of years, undoubtedly serve to keep Panasonic's breath sharp and their manufacturing procedures lean as ever a guy with his eye on the future. Elon Musk also looks forward to a time when difficult to find, morally dubious elements, like lithium and especially cobalt, can be completely eliminated from Tesla's production processes. In a September statement, he brashly said that Tesla is hoping to dependably generate 100 gigawatt-hours of battery sales by 2022, which is enough for 1.4 million vehicles with or without assistance from Panasonic. Tesla makes batteries so quickly by consolidating as much of the process as possible under one smart roof, and substituting fallible human hands with robotics, but only when necessary. Elon Musk drives his commercial partners and employees too hard in the merciless quest of excellence. What do you think about Tesla and its battery tech? Tell us in the comments below. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, do like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.